to today's video. This is CPAgrip. It's a network that you promote a product and be paid for every product you promote. And if somebody clicks on your link, you'll be making some commission. Before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And other links to this network and the other program we'll be using will be in the description box below. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. So the newly added offer. These offers now are the newly added offer, and they are selling very well. And these are the top trending offer. These are the top offer that are performing very well. Okay, if you want to promote a product, first you have to select the country you want to promote, and then you select the product you want. To do that, you click on this place, click on offer, click on my offer, and then select your country. For example, you can type USA and you see United States, and select a category, mobile install. You can select pin submit, you can select zip submit or credit card submit. Any of them will do. So when somebody installs a mobile app, you'll be paid, and when somebody submits an email, you'll be paid. So let's select mobile app, and you can select any country of your choice. You can select the country you are in to make it easy, and you can select whether you want to promote for Windows or for Android or for Mac, any of them. I can select for both. Okay, to promote this offer now, it's very simple, but I will advise you to promote the offer that in your own country, so you can share with your friends and be paid easily. So, and to promote this offer, you just click on the offer you want to promote, and this is a mobile install. They say watch the welcome video in the VIX app. For if somebody watches this video in this particular app, you pay 0.81 cents, and it's only promoted in the USA, and it's a mobile install. So somebody watches this video in this app, you will be paid 0.81 cents, and this is the domain. This is the link you will be promoting, and this link, this is where you just click on this copy link to copy the link, and if you're having clicks, this is where they appear, and if you have a lead, this is where it appears, and each EPC you get, each earnings per click, and somebody clicks on your link, you'll be paid, and it will be shown here, and this is the revenue you'll be earning where it will appear. Okay, let's copy this link and let me show you what to do next. Okay, now that I've copied the link, you come to this website, shorturl.at, and you paste your link here, then you click on shorten URL, and your URL will be shortened, and then you copy your URL. Okay, this URL has been modified, it's now shortened, and now you can paste it on your Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp and share with your friends, and now let's share it on social media and see how many clicks we get. Okay, that's it. After you finish sharing a link, you can come over and pick another link and share. Good luck and Merry Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching the video.